Assalamu alaikum everyone. Take my cordial love and first of all take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Why I am giving salam? Because I am Muslim. For that I always give salam and I always give every Muslim salam. It is my daily duty. For that I always give salam. Okay. Right now I am staying here on the small road which is located in our village. Another part. It is so attractive for me. Why it is so attractive for me? Because after so many days I am staying here in this place and I am practicing and I am describing this place. It is so attractive for me. Okay, today I was very busy with my daily activities. For that I am not coming here in this place and I am not recording my own brand content in this place. It is so bad for me. Okay, now I will go my elder brothers home because my elder brothers called me, Mamun, come here in my home and I will talk to you. It is so good for me. Okay, nowadays I am very busy. For that I am not going anywhere. For that my elder brother request me and my elder brother call me, Mamun, come here in my village. Okay, as you can see this place are so attractive for me. Why it is so attractive for me? Because there are so many different kind of vegetable fields, different kind of potato trees. I know that potato is very delicious and costly product in our Bangladesh. For that every person cultivate in this winter season potato. It is so memorable for me. Okay, nowadays I am very busy. Why I am very busy? Because I was cultivate some potato in my own village and I always work in my potato field and I always work in my multitude field. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now my elder uncle is going her home. As you can see my elder uncle, he is seeing my face and he is seeing my camera. It doesn't matter because I am practicing my English language every single. Okay, as you can see my elder brother, he is seeing my face and he is staying here because he is hard working hard potato fields this morning. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now my elder brother, his dress is very interesting to see because he is working so hard since morning. Okay, now I'm alone staying here in this place and I'm recording my own brand content every single. Okay, as you can see there are different kind of banana trees, different kind of trees. It is so incredible to see because banana is very delicious product in our Bangladesh. Why I was weak that time I always eat banana and I always in a day daily time eat banana. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now I'm alone staying here on the small road. It is very famous road than other road. It is very busy road than other road because every person will go her home and every person will go market in this road by the road. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now I'm practicing my English language video in this place. Every person seeing my face and every person seeing my camera. It doesn't matter because I'm practicing my English language every single day. There are so many kids they coming here. It is so attractive for me because he is seeing my face and he is seeing my camera. It doesn't matter. As you can see there are 3 kids, they are seeing my camera. It is so attractive for me. Okay, what's your name? He is Sinti Buri and over there is my one new face. He is Samiul Islam. It is so attractive for me. Okay, he always come here in this place and he always studying Patilapur Primary School. It is so attractive for me. Okay, what's up, bro? How are you? As you can see there are 3 kids, they going her home maybe. I think that, but I am not sure. Okay, as you can see now he going over there her potato field. It is so memorable for me because over there are 4 kids, they going her potato field. It is so attractive for me. Okay, as you can see now I'm very happy today to be here because I'm practicing my English language video after long days and I'm recording my own brand content. Okay, every person seeing my face and every person seeing my camera. It is very difficult for me to make video regularly. I know that English is hard language for us. For that I always practice and I always making my new brand content. As you can see there are different kind of kids, they coming here and he's seeing my face. It is so attractive for me. Okay, as you can see There are 3 kids. They are coming here and he's seeing my camera. They are seeing my camera. Okay, as you can see. What's up? Sinti Buri and Maisha Buri. Oh, there is one small. My new face. His name Hamid Islam. Hamid Islam. Hamid Islam. He going Haram. He is male person. It is so attractive for me. Okay. Now I will go my home and I will see my elder brothers. It is so good for me. I am not wasting my time and I will come back in my home and I will open my fertilizer shop. Today's temperature is very normal and the sun is getting down. Because this is evening time in our village. It is so good for me. Okay, thanks for watching this video. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep learning. Best of luck.